In our last video, we talked about how intermittent fasting helps you burn fat and boost energy fast. But knowing when to eat is only half the battle. What you eat is just as important. In today's video, we'll break down the best foods to eat during intermittent fasting so you can maximize fat loss and stay energized all day. Let's get started. Most people think they can eat anything after fasting, but that's a huge mistake. Eating the wrong foods spikes your insulin, slows fat loss, and drains your energy. Instead, let's focus on foods that keep you in fat-burning mode. A lot of people start intermittent fasting but don't see results because they make these common mistakes. Eating too much processed food, this causes insulin spikes and slows fat loss. Not eating enough protein, you need protein to preserve muscle and stay full longer. Breaking the fast with sugar-heavy foods, this can lead to an energy crash. To get the best results, focus on whole nutrient-dense foods that support fat burning. After fasting, your body is sensitive to what you eat first. The best foods to break a fast include healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, high-quality protein eggs, salmon, chicken, low-glycemic veggies, spinach, broccoli, bell peppers. Avoid high-sugar, ultra-processed foods. They will spike your blood sugar and crash your energy. So how do you build a meal that keeps you full, energized, and in fat-burning mode? Here's the formula. Protein first. Think salmon, chicken, or eggs. Next, add healthy fats for satiety, like avocados, olive oil, or nuts. And don't forget fiber-rich veggies for nutrients. Spinach, broccoli, and bell peppers are great choices. Also, avoid processed carbs and sugars. They will only slow your progress. Now let's talk about ideal meals during your eating window. Meal 1, scrambled eggs, avocado, and sautéed spinach. Meal 2, grilled salmon with quinoa and roasted veggies. Meal 3, chicken salad with olive oil dressing. These meals support fat burning, balance blood sugar, and keep you full longer. Thirsty while fasting? Here's what you can drink without breaking your fast: water, black coffee, and green tea. But avoid sugary drinks, flavored lattes, and fruit juices. They will break your fast instantly. Now it's your turn. What's your go-to fasting meal? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time.